You're like lightning in my veins. Oh, I'll never be the same. I'm all better now that you're here.
Kapag mahal mo ang isang tao, gusto mo ang tao yan ay makasama. At yan ang sinasabi sa aklat ng kasal. It is not good for man to be alone. Kinakailangan ng lalaki ang babae para kanyang makasama, to be his partner.
Sit right here with
Dear Han, this is it. The long wait is finally over. I hope now you never have to wonder how strong and deep my feelings for you. Through the past 2 years, we've changed a little and we've grown a lot together. But what's constant is how much I need you in my life. I love you, Han. See you later. Herbie.
This is love, this is love. You're the fire in my heart. It's been burning from the start. Every hour, every minute, every single moment. And all I wanna do is sit right here with you.
Han, finally, sana magustuhan mo. Ito na yung matagal na nating inaantay. Excited na ako and kinakabahan. This is it. See you later. I love you, Han. Kathleen.
Perfectly, this is love, this is love. When you turn and look at me, I feel electricity cut through every part of me. This is love, this is love.
Kathleen, kailanman di kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pagkaingatan ang singsing na ito sa ngalan ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
I know you're the one for me. I've known forever, can't you see? We go together perfectly. This is love, this is love. When